All right, 5-6 we go. 1078 is box 5. Really nice Chase Elliott. I'll show it real quick. Chase Elliott, 3 of 3, black prism in the Hooters fire suit. Got it top loaded up. I mean, obviously you want the 1-of-1s checkered flag, but I really like the look of the black prisms. Let's see what we can get here. Out of 5. Did I show that? 1078 on the sticker. Alright, let's see what we can get in 5 here. I'm going to try to, sometime maybe today or tomorrow, I'm going to get on the website and I'm going to update the sports release calendar. And I'm hoping to get some information on when the 2019 products are going to come out for racing. I know Donruss released a week, maybe 2 weeks ago. And probably not going to buy any of that until maybe it goes down in price, and maybe buy just one box and do one of the videos like we normally do with a new product. Get one box and give it a grade. But right now at like $80 a box for one autograph, I think, and one mem card. It's just not really in my alley, so we'll see. I'm hoping in 2019 we get the return of Select, which I think we will. Alright, let's see what we can get here in box 5. I'm going to have a couple base don't go there. I'll put base. Let's put this box here, and let's put base up here. Silver, John Hunter Nemechek. Oh, here's a nice one. Kevin Harvick autograph. Kevin Harvick. Nice centered autograph. Sheet metal. For Kevin Harvick. Nice autograph there for Kevin Harvick. And it looks like we're going to go to our second autograph real soon here as well. Behind the Dale Jr. Silver. Alan Gustafson, crew chief. 33 of 50. Might be the first Alan Gustafson I've ever pulled. Select endorsements blue. He was, wasn't he Jeff Gordon's crew chief at one time? Base. Landon Castle blue. Carl Edwards, select star. 3 base. Those are Chase Elliott, red, white, and blue. Larson, speed merchant. 3 base. Almirola silver. Gray Galding, the young gun, select swatch fire suit for Gray Galding. Couple base. Last chunk of 5 here. Ryan Blaney base. Base. Ryan Blaney silver. Daniel Suarez, select swatch tire. Kurt Busch blue. Truex Jr. select star. 3 base. Paul Menard silver. Ryan Newman UCP base. AJ Allmendinger red, white, and blue. We're going to have a white to 50 coming up. Speed Merchants Truex Jr. White is John Hunter Nemechek, numbered to 50. That's number 19. Speed Merchant Matt Kenseth. 3 base. Kevin Harvick silver. And Brad Keselowski. Select swatch tire for Brad K. We got 3 base, an AJ Allmendinger silver, and an Austin Dillon Select Stars to finish off 5. Alright, let's get into 6 here, which is 44.94. This right here will be the halfway point. Nice Kevin Harvick autograph. A few other nice autographs. Chase Elliott, 3 of 3 black. A couple nice tie-dyes. I'm really surprised we haven't hit a gold yet. I'm calling it in this box gold. Honestly, I think there might have just been a... no, maybe it's another white. We'll see. I hope there's a gold in here. That pack's really thick. Some kind of sheet metal or something in that one. Don't forget to follow Playoff Push Sports Cards for the social media giveaways. You can do so on Facebook at Playoff Push SC and Twitter at Push Playoff. Giveaway. I'll probably actually sometime in the next few days pick out a few cards that will be for the next social media giveaway. And for everyone who won the social media giveaway, which was, what, like a week ago, those will definitely ship out with your cards today. I've got them all stacked over here to the side. And then we'll pick out a couple autographs and give them away. What we might ask you to do is you might get 3 drivers to pick, and maybe we'll do 5. You might have to pick. You got 5 drivers to pick, maybe on Facebook and Twitter, and when you send them to us, if one of those 5 drivers wins, you're entered to win the autograph. We'll figure something out. A couple base. There's a Danica Blue, $1.99. There's a Danica Select Star. Some base. Paul Menard Silver. Kyle Larson strikes again, 47 of 99. Blue, sheet metal blue. 3 base. Dell Jr. Red to 99. 79. Trevor Bayne, Speed Merchant. 3 base. Justin Allgaier Silver. Clint Boyer, Danica Patrick. I think Danica Patrick's been like on every select pairing. Clint Boyer, Danica Blue. 3 base. Truex Jr. Silver. Mark Martin. 3 base. And this will end the first half of the case with this chunk. Let's see, we got one thick one in there. Chase Elliott Silver and a front-facing autograph. Blue Select Signatures, Donnie Allison. I'm not sure. I don't know if Donnie sold or not. If not, we'll probably throw that one in maybe the free giveaway. There's 3 base. Donnie's not a big seller. Jamie McMurray, Red, White, and Blue. Dell Jr. Speed Merchant, 3 base. Michael Annette Silver. Eric Almirola, Select Swatch Tire, 3 base. John Hunter Nemechek Silver. Joey Logano UCP, 3 base. We're going to have a white prism coming up. There's Casey Kane, Red, White, and Blue. Ryan Newman. The white's going to be Brad Keselowski, white up close and personal. That is 49 of 50 on the white. And then Joey Logano Silver and another Trevor Bayne signature paint scheme. This one to only 25. 11 of 25. Red. What was the other one, number 2? The other one was the blue. So we got 2 Trevor Bayne signature paint schemes. We get the red to 25 and the blue to 50. So if you got Trevor Bayne, who's probably definitely less than $10, you just got 2 signature paint schemes. There's 3 base. Michael Annett, red, white, and blue. Darrell Waltrip, select star. Joey Logano, base. That wraps up the first half. We'll be right back with 7-8.